Hello, I'm Misha Kovalenko, and I'd like to give you a quick tour of Hematopathology Atlas that's published through our PathEdEx.com website. When you get to the website, if you do not want to create an account, you can log in using a demo account with the password demo. To log in, type demo and the password demo twice, and you get to the dashboard that shows you the modules that are currently available. For a demo account, you see only a select number of cases. Let's look at case 1. This is a fully complete case that's de-identified and is presented to you as a pathologist to try to come up with a diagnosis. You have a current patient history, radiology images, any gross images would also be shown if they're relevant, and any biopsies that you can look at more closely. Images are clickable. When you click on them, they enlarge for better viewing. To go into the case, you click on the biopsy for that case, and you will be presented with a list of H&E stains and other materials that may or may not be available for this particular case. To look at an image, all you have to do is select it, and it will be shown in the zoomable viewer. You can zoom in by clicking or using a scrolling wheel if you're using Windows, or you can use the controls in the upper left corner of the screen. When you're done considering this image, you can look at other materials that may be available. Old materials is always a good idea to check for previous histories that may be recorded for that patient. In this case, there aren't any. Immunostains are available if you are not sure about the H&E results, but not all of these stains are going to be there. For example, for this case, CD3 stain is present, which you can also examine. However, a CD4 stain is not available, and you will get a notice that it's not present to that effect. Notice the financial impact indicator in the top right corner of this window. It shows you the financial amounts that are being accrued as you consider various materials relevant to this case. Flow cytometry, unfortunately, was not performed for this case. Neither was molecular diagnostics or cytogenetics. If they were, their cost would have been reflected up in the top right corner as a financial impact indicator. Once you have considered all the materials, it's time to go and make diagnosis. You are presented with 5 choices. If you pick one and it happens to be incorrect, you will get a notice saying so. You can go through all the diagnosis choices until you choose the correct one, in this case, Hodgkin lymphoma, nodular sclerosing. And if you'd like to see why, you can look at the explanation, giving you a little bit more detail about the correct answer. When you're done, choose back to all cases, and you see that this case has been completed. Thank you.